Hey, Mike Foster here, and I'm about to eat the street. I'm going to the Sonic Drive-In, check out their burgers, cheeseburgers. Hopefully I find a double, and add it to my list. Mike Easter Street. I've never been to a Sonic before. I guess you have your own little personal ordering space. It's kind of cool. Plus they have a drive-thru. Well, let's see right here. We sold bad guys. Let me just take this one right here. Let's see what they have here. I feel it's like your own personal place. So there's the Sonic Bacon Cheeseburger. Sonic, no bacon, but just the Sonic Double Cheeseburger. I guess you order right there. I have to press, I think. There you go. So look at this. Got my own little place. You guys see the stuff there? Look at that Sonic Double Cheeseburger. Right there. And a small fry. This is a continuation of Mike's Eat the Street, so I'm trying to eat double cheeseburgers anywhere. It doesn't have to be a fast food brand, but anywhere, and compare them to my favorites. So far, In-N-Out, Five Guys are pretty close. Number one, In-N-Out probably a little closer to that. Wendy's actually did really well. McDonald's, Burger King. Those were sweet doo-doo instead of sweet babu. Well, let's see where we're at with these. Hey, can I get a double cheeseburger and a small fry? That's all.
All right, hold on one more.
Now I have to hold on because never had a double cheeseburger and a small fry. Let me pay this guy, get the food, and we'll check out this double cheeseburger and fries at Sonic. All right, now the guy just came out and gave me my order. It's right there. I'm still in this little stall here, so let's check it out. Okay, so first off, how much did this cost me? $5.39 for the double and $1.69 for the small fries. Right there, you can see it. I'm not lying. Now, first off, it's nice and heavy. It's pretty big. It's bigger than my head. How does that look? It looks pretty. Size of my head there. Let's try the bite right now. It's got plenty of lettuce, tomato, pickles. I don't know if it's got onions. Yep, it's got little chopped onions. Check it out. The meat's not bad. Let's try the bite. Cheese could be melted more, see? And the meat could be a little warmer. It does have a lot of produce on the top, as you can see, or the bottom right there. The bun is a little doughy. One more bite. The jury's coming in. It could be juicier. The cheese could be melted more. But everything seems fresh. I don't like the bun. It's really difficult to get the bun right without being too overcooked or too doughy like this one is. I would say this was better than the Burger King one. And they just have to get better on how they just present it. Overall, I'll give this a 6 or 7. I think that the potential is there. I think you guys just have to make it warmer. I mean, he just walked it out to me. I mean, I don't know how fast you can bring it out to me. So there's that. Let's try their fries. Man, when you ask for a small fry, they give you one. Small it is. Let's see. Okay. That doesn't look that bad. Oh, these are cold. Yeah, this is Do anyone get warm here? Nah. This is thumbs down. You can't serve cold fries. I mean, it's a wet noodle. Look at this. Mike's not screwing around. Look at garbage. I guess it's another bad experience. Maybe it's just where I live. Maybe they just can't deliver. But I'm thinking there's a lot of people out here eating it, so some people like it. I think you just have to do it. You have to do it every day. First off, you start with quality food. and then you have to execute it. It's just like any part of life. You have to have a good plan, but any good plan poorly executed is a bad plan, or is a failure. Or you can have great execution, but you just don't have the right ingredients or the right plan in place. Thumbs down on the fries, and the burger, like I said, is a 5 or a 6. So that's Sonic. Stay tuned for more Mike Eats the Streets. I'll be checking out all kinds of places around here in North Las Vegas, and not just fast food. I've got comments saying, Mike, try non-fast food. I eat fast food once a month. I go to nice restaurants and I eat in, and I cook stuff for you guys. But this is my Mike Eats the Street. I'm trying to find some stuff, some places to eat. I wouldn't go to Sonic if I were you. I got some other videos coming up of all the different places around here. And give me any of your ideas on Mike Eats the Street. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Check this one out right here. Can I get in there without killing myself? Car hub's coming out. I think that, they're trying to be 1950s and 60s, but it's 2019 and they can't do it because they're confused. But how you get the food is one thing. How the food tastes is the main thing. So it's right there. There you go. Save that for tax purposes. That was a lot of pickles. Those fries are making me sick. Terrible. I go to nice restaurants. Sweet little boo-boo baby. Baba. Boo. Boo-boo. Not good. No, not good. Not good. Not good. Baba.